everyone. Today I would like to introduce a type of optical fiber to you. Yes, it's this ADSS cable. You can see this ADSS fiber optic cable. There are two ADSS model fiber optic cable. Let you see the detail. You can see, this white color is the non-mentally central strands member. What's the function of this material? It can enhance the tensile strength. Yes, this black. You can see this black color material is okay, and this ADSS fiber optic cable is constructed by stranding. ADSS fiber optic cable are constructed by stranding multiple loose tubers around a non-mentally central strand member. This core is then extruded with an inner sheath with aramid yarn, and finally coated with an outer sheath material. Okay, and you can see this self-supporting feature allows it to be installed without additional messenger wires, and it has excellent waterproof performance, tensile, and it has excellent tensile strength because the yellow. You can see this yellow color material here is aramid yarn. Yes, what's this material function? It can also strengthen the tensile strength. As you can see, this fiber optic cable has two layers, inner sheath and outer sheath. This black sheath is made of PE material. It provides PE material which has three main functions. Firstly, it provides waterproof protection. Secondly, it has excellent water resistance. It can resist the UV rays effectively. This PE black material is PE. And this ADSS fiber optic cable usually used for aerial installation. Okay, the introduction of this ADSS fiber optic cable is over. See you next time.